part of the family now because I'm opening and closing the gate. It's like legit.
I should have done to you what I do to my kids right when you shut
And
the
leave?
gate. I go like this. Simon's like, I see him in the mirror. He's like,
Thanks for not taking off on me. Well, good morning. We're at the place where you get the cat poop coffee, but it's so pretty in here. It's really cool. It's like really funky. I like it a lot. I like show you the like. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, and they have like live music and stuff in here?
yeah.
It kind of.
They call him like, hold on, like, Yolanda or whatever. And he,
Oh, nice.
anyway,
He's making me my coffee, my science experiment, as Amy calls it. Oh, weird. Oh, the coffee's in there?
yeah. Oh, maybe he hasn't put it in yet.
No, but that's where it's going. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, cool. I see. Oh, cool. And then you put that in? Oh, cool. Now I need to get a setup like this and like make it for myself at home.
People think you're like,
I wonder if people
Doing other
like,
stuff
can
with it.
people buy. I wonder if people have this kind of
I'm
stuff
sure.
and make them at home. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Oh, weird. Oh, and it totally just sucks it and leaves all the grinds in. There's like a filter there, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah.
Have you seen this before? I've seen it, not in person.
Yeah.
I'd only seen it.
Have you had the coffee, the
I
poop
don't,
coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. I've had it. Wasn't my favorite.
No?
No, I didn't know it was that when I drank it. And it wasn't my favorite.
Oh, that is so cool.
So which one did you get? Is this the Terraginese? Yeah.
Yeah. Have you had that before?
Yeah.
Okay, here. I'm gonna try it. Oh yeah, it's great. It's great. It's good. It's nice and light.
It
Not
looks
super
like
florally.
it looks weak. Like it doesn't look like it's.
No, it's like a light roast. It's perfect though.
Yeah.
It'll be higher in caffeine. The darker the roast, the less caffeine it has.
True.
Do you want to taste it?
Sure. I don't like it so much.
Just going to pick up the kids from school. It's actually not so hot today. It's nice. It's been raining, that's why. I'm sorry, I really filmed nothing today, so this is what you get is us picking up the kids from school, because I have a strong feeling that what we've been doing for the last hour is probably what we're going to continue doing this afternoon.
We can go to the
It's okay, I'm on vacation.
Room if you want.
The what?
The room at Teeding. It's like you feed fish there.
Oh, that sounds kind of cool. Do your kids like it there?
Yeah.
We're at this another place. The Tidung people that like live on the coast of Borneo, like by the water. That's why they're on stilts.
Yes. Is it, well, it's not on stilts because the water. I think that may. I'm not sure if it has to.
Keep the house cooler.
Yeah, cooler or keep snakes out or I don't know.
I'm drinking Nescafe, Sammy.
Sama-sama.
Oh, there's the paddle boats. Is this the little paddle boat area?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, this is it.
We're gonna feed fish here.
Oh, goody. Oh, look at them all.
A dogfish.
I like the big guy.
Go ahead.
Dogfish.
Here's the big guy.
Grab one. Pick it up. Ew, gross.
We touched them.
Can you pick it up? Oh, they're huge.
Those ones are huge.
They
yeah.
probably taste delicious.
They're catfish though.
Yeah, catfish are good.
Yeah?
In the States, they eat fried catfish. Apparently, it's like really good.
Yeah, it's all like very southern.
Yeah. Oh!
He tried to eat me.
That one jumped so. Oh! Those catfish are huge.
Look at you, Nina.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some out further. Go get those ones. Whoa.
Yes, I just touched one.
Does it feel weird?
No, it feels like funny.
Nice.
And she was sitting down on the side and she dropped her phone.
Really? Oh, that sucks.
Nasya. He's telling me if you're too hot, you can move to the other side.
Oh, okay.
Look at that one. There's one right there. Yeah, that one.
Oh, and there's some chickens over there.
Okay, you done?
Poor Luke. No one would go on the paddle boat with him.
It's too hot.
It is pretty hot to do any sort of physical activity around here.
Are you? You're cold?
Yeah, you might want to put on a sweater.
Oh, I'm just like... They got me at 10 a.m. I just told her.
Amy's buying us some bananas at the market. Some sweet baby bananas that we're gonna eat. Apparently she makes ice cream from it. This is like banana row. All the bananas. Who likes bananas? Okay, on this episode of Weird Drinks, we're drinking. This sounds the grossest. Although bird's nest sounded gross. Grass jelly. And I think it's gonna pour out in chunks. Oh, where's the chunks? Are they in the bottom?
Invisible chunks. Oh, I see them. I think if it's like the invisible chunks like last time, you can feel them, but you cannot see them.
Oh, gross! Ew, I saw
I
them.
see them.
Okay.
They look like fishing
Okay,
tails.
everyone cheers in the middle. Cheers.
Ready? Mark, get set, go.
Oh, that is not good.
I love that.
It's like dirt.
I love it.
Sweet dirt. It tastes like cigarettes.
I love
I'm not a fan, but the kids like it probably because it has lots of sugar in it.
Ooh, I don't like that.